Hi, my name is Arunabh and I'm working as a software engineer in web sales. I completed my complete education from Kendra Vidyalaya because my father was in Air Force. So we used to move around. I completed my schooling from 6 different schools. I was not a very studious kind of guy. I was a mediocre student. 70 cross हो गया तो like my family was like बहुत है बहुत पढ़ रहा है. After 6th, I started playing football, and in 9th class, I got selected for the team for the first time. I've played 4 times national and 5-6 times state. 11th, 12th, I didn't perform very well. Okay, so I was more into sports. जब 12th में result कम आया, that time I realized कि जो मेरी जिद है that I don't want to study science, ये मेरा ही career खराब कर रही है. It's not affecting anyone else. 11th and 12th, I realized that sports is not the best option I can opt for. So after I decided for engineering, the main question which came in my mind, like from which branch? My majority of classmates in 11th, 12th went for either electrical engineering or mechanical engineering. सारा crowd वहीं जा रहा था. No one took civil engineering. किसी ने civil नहीं लिया. मेरे mind में वो आया कि किसी ने नहीं लिया, चलो मैं लेके देखता हूँ कि क्या होता है. I worked very hard in my engineering. I made the benchmark. This is the record I have to break. I did it. I broke the records. I broke the record of like 14 years of my college. Whatever companies I got the name from google.com, I applied on those companies. I made on my profile, I keep on updating it, I keep on applying to the companies, I keep on calling their HRs. They said I will get back to you, we'll see your resume and we'll tell you. And then my father said, let's go through reference. My father arranged something and we got a reference in Delhi. वो एकदम नया site था. I was a trainee engineer. I joined that company at 6,000 per month in Delhi. I called the HR, I said कि if you make my salary 20k because I'm an engineer. He said कि नहीं हो पाएगा, blah blah blah. He started giving me excuses. Then I left the company. Then I came to Renukut. I had some connections, so वहाँ भी गया but didn't work out. Then I came back to Chhattisgarh. My father was working in Chhattisgarh, so I got a job in that company as a site engineer. I worked for that company for around 7 months. I worked for 7 months. I got paid for only 1 month. I was totally dependent on my civil and that broke. I didn't had any backup plan कि अगर civil में नहीं हुआ तो मैं क्या करूँगा. So I said कि I'll do something but not in civil. I moved to Bangalore. Bangalore में तो पूरा masters वाला ही crowd है and everybody suggested me the same thing कि go for MBA. अब job में तो नहीं जाना है, कोई भी कुछ भी हो. I wanted a just stable career in 2 years. Before my dad retires, I wanted a good job. My friends who were working in corporate area as a tester, as a sales guy, something, they told me go for development thing, be a software developer. I didn't had any knowledge about how web development works because as I told you my story, कहीं भी मेरे story में computer पे interest था ही नहीं. I keep on criticizing laptop वाले gamers. मैंने कहा code मतलब code में क्या job है यार, बस लिख दो तो उसमें what kind of job it is. I studied about software development and the thing which I got on Google was pretty impressive that they have a very stable career. So I said कि ये हो जाएगा, I can try for it. अब कैसे होगा? Because I was a civil engineer and company was looking for people who know code. There were many boot camps and coaching centers going on in Bangalore. There itself you will get a placements. There was a coaching center and very good review on Quora. So I went to their office. I told my whole story. I have zero knowledge about coding, but I want a good job. Are you able to teach me in 7 months? They said, yeah, हो जाएगा. You just join the coaching center and there are many students like this. They told me, show me many testimonials. He is working with Accenture, he is working with Wipro, he is working with XYZ company at a good salary. They used to teach on notepad, on a copy and notebook. मुझे नहीं पता था कि कोडिंग ऐसे, मेरे लिए तो फर्स्ट टाइम था. मुझे नहीं पता था कि लैपटॉप पे कोड करना होता है. मंडे को टेस्ट लेते थे. There was a written test. In test I used to score 19 out of 20, 20 out of 20. तो I thought कि यही होता है और मैं बहुत अच्छा कर रहा हूँ. The people in my batch started getting placed. वो धीरे-धीरे placed हो रहे थे. So मेरा patience that time broke. I started panicking कि why you are not referring me? I am the best in the batch. I am performing very well. So they started telling me the real truth we know that I knew from 2016 that I am from civil. Because you have a gap, you are from different branch. I said ये तो मैं पहले ही बताया था ना. They started ignoring me after few discussions. They started ignoring my emails. They started ignoring my calls. I was like totally into black hole that time. कि यार अब तो पढ़ भी लिया, I spend money also, but still the story is same, that I am from civil and I have this much of background. At the end, one company came there in that coaching center and I got selected. That company asked me कि आपको 2 साल का bond भरना पड़ेगा. That company told us that they are an outsourcing company, so they said we will pay you 2.4. That is the bond that you have to submit your original documents of all your graduation and all your education. After 2 years, you will get the document back. I submitted my document. I joined the company. That is a complete scam going on in Bangalore. They never take a freshie from any coaching center. I was a perfect candidate, like 16 pass out, had a year gap and a different background. They have a backdoor entry references in all MNCs. They make our fake experiences of whatever year gaps we have, and they push us to the MNCs at a higher salary. They take the salary directly from the company and they pay their candidate the least 2.4 lakhs. ये तो नहीं है. This is not the correct thing. So I joined the company. After 3 weeks, I started asking questions. You guys are doing wrong. I'm not into this scam and all. I said कि मेरे document वापस करो. Give me my documents back. They said give us 50k, 50,000 and take your documents. We'll blacklist you. You will not get a job in any company in Bangalore or in India. Left my document. I said कि आप रख लो. वैसे भी that are from civil background. मेरे किसी काम के नहीं. I was completely fed up with myself, my capabilities. मैं मान लिया था कि मेरे से करियर में कुछ नहीं होगा. I tried every possible way for a good job. The only good thing happened in 2019 that Masai came into picture. Somehow I got into contact with Yogesh. That's what I told Yogesh, that I'm not a good candidate to joke with or make a scam with. If I get stuck in one more scam now, what I'm going to do with my life? He said me truth, that we don't have a success story right now. The first batch with 20 students is already going on. At least apply, give us the interview. I was the first guy who Yogesh interviewed for Spartans batch. So I came to Springboard. I saw, मैं कहा ठीक है. ये लगा कि हाँ, this is the real thing. Rupul came and even in that room also same कहानी चली, क्योंकि मेरे माइंड में और कुछ चलता ही नहीं था उस टाइम. I was just looking for that person who can stop that loop inside my mind, who can show me the correct path now. He was not praising Masai. He was telling me how Masai can help me. They had some examples who were already doing, but Masai didn't had any testimonial or success story that time because first batch भी graduate नहीं हुआ था. I went back home after 2 days. I got the email that you are selected for the batch. बस literally the day I joined, it was the last trial for myself in career perspective. I found someone who has the knowledge about software world. Rupul. I told him I do not have a single laptop. I have not used any laptop right now. If I see a notebook and a pen inside Masai, उसी दिन भगा दूंगा. First 1 month was a bit trial. I can try Masai, जो मेरे को कहीं और नहीं मिला. Yogesh pulled back my confidence and motivation inside me, and Rupul is the guy who taught that loophole inside my mind. He said very first thing, पहला कि अगल बगल वालों से compare करेगा और मेरे को बोलेगा तो भगा दूंगा. He said, what is your problem? Don't tell me that other people are working and you are not working. ये assignment नहीं बनेगा, कैसे बनेगा मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा. What are the tags? क्या tag use करूँ? HTML का document is so big. How I will remember everything? He said, told you to remember everything. Some basic tags which you have to remember. वो भी practice से याद होगा. He said, leave assignment now. Just create a HTML file and write your name and show me on the screen. Go through the documentation, go through the Masai जो notes हमने भेजा है. Just read it, make HTML file and just show your name on the screen. Nothing else. This is your task for the day. At 8:45 PM, I told him a screen जिसमें मेरा नाम दिख रहा था and I was super excited. I was like कि हो गया, अब तो बन जाऊँगा. Rupul was like बस हो गया. I opt coding to get a good job. But after joining Masai, after this 6 months, I got coding in my hobbies. I love coding. मैं बोर होता हूँ मैं कोड करता हूँ. First interview में I was like very nervous. बहुत छोटा सा डिक्शनरी का क्वेश्चन था, डिक्शनरी पैटर्न क्वेश्चन था. I solved it very well, but I was stammering while explaining things. Nervous था obviously. First interview, senior developer. Pratik was like क्या हुआ? So this is the positive thing of Masai. Whenever we came back from an interview ना, वो सुनना चाहते थे कि क्या सही हुआ and what went wrong and what we learned from this interview. From first 3 interviews I did some mistakes. I was nervous, I was not that confident to crack the interview. जो चीजें मेरे को आती थी मैं वो ठीक से नहीं बता पाया था. 4th interview I attended for Revv.so, for which I am working right now. आज भी मेरे कंपनी में बोलते हैं कि तेरा राउंड बड़ा शानदार था.